Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY flower with two papers. You will be needing two papers, color papers. You can make it in whatever length or measurement you want, but make sure it's in a square size. So let's get started. And you'll be needing glue and scissors. So first, take out the bigger paper, fold it into a triangle. Now make it into another triangle. One more. Now take your scissor, cut it right over here. Now open this, keep it aside. Now take your pink color or any color you're using. Do the same thing. Cut it the same way. Now take both the flowers. Apply glue on the back of this flower. Stick it. Put glue on the side so that it sticks well. Now if you want to decorate it a bit, go to the middle and just do this. And if you want to give it some final touches, color it yellow in the middle. Okay guys, that's it in my video today. Make sure you try this flower at home. It's really simple. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Bye guys. See you in my next video.